the boat rental place across the street. And if you see the sheen,
You see it?
oh, absolutely, you
Yeah.
can see it. You can see the sheen.
And it's also...
How are you?
Wait, you guys spill some gas?
I did.
How much gas did you spill?
Maybe a couple of gallons. It's just working its way down.
A couple,
I
yeah, because it
apologize.
smells really bad, huh?
Yeah. But
Just-
I'll hose it down if it helps. It's
Just a
kinda
couple of
moving
gallons, huh?
It's just kind of moving its way down there. The overfill went over.
That's not good.
I apologize.
Yeah, that really smells bad.
I'll hose it down here and see if we can't do something about it.
Yeah, was that only 2 gallons, you think, or?
Not much at all. It just kind of hangs out on the top.
Yeah.
But we'll hose it down, see if we can't cut it back. Are you local?
Yeah, we're worried about the fireworks.
Oh, most definitely. You give me 10, 15 minutes, we'll hose it down and see what we can do.
Yeah. Yeah, because the kids are playing with the fireworks now, and that's all we need is a big...
Oh, you know what? I'll take care of it. We'll hose it down.
This is really bad. But apparently, this is from the boat rental place.
Any problems at all, you let me know.
That gas stays on the top, and there's kids playing with fireworks. This is here.
I figured when I was hosing down the boat, it would take care of it.
Yeah, no, that's bad.
Guys, are you staying here?
Yeah.